Good morning, children, and good afternoon to all those who are watching me in the afternoon, and good evening to all those who are watching me in the afternoon. Well, today once again Gargi ma'am is back with a new topic, related to English grammar. And I would like to say very good to all those who have emailed me their informal letter writing homework. Yes, and as I have been insisting again and again that the homeworks are very important to be emailed, and there are many students, isn't it, in this class 5. So I am expecting many homework. Very few students who regularly email me the homework are sending it religiously. The others are not. So it is a request, children, please treat this as very important. You need to email me the homework, because as I said, it will be very difficult to grade you in your notebook assessment, although notebooks we have not received, if you don't email me the homework. Now, secondly, there is also another thing, children. By now, I think you must have seen that we have, also uploaded the half yearly syllabus, the first term syllabus, the term 1 syllabus, yes, in the students online portal, and it will be available also in the dashboard. So that means all those who have not been able to do well in their periodic assessment, once you receive the syllabus, you can start preparing, you can put in a new foot forward and start beginning from the very first topic, which is going to be there as one of the evaluation topics in your half yearly exam, so that you can make up for your low grades, you can make up for your low score. I know it is a very difficult situation. Your home is like a school, our home is like a school, but then the show must go on. Yes, the show has to go on. So you must prove yourself in this pandemic situation also that you can, nothing is impossible, you can do everything. Yes, so please start revising. And there is also another thing, children, for English grammar. I wanted to tell you, for English grammar, please note that supposing there are 5 topics which have been covered, yes, by me. So how will you give yourself a practice exercise? You are going to pick up exercises from all those 5 chapters. It has to be a mixed bag. Have you seen a sorted chocolate pack? Have you seen that? I am sure you must have seen it, because during Diwali we get that also. There are 5 stars in it, there are dairy milks in it, there are crackles in it, there are nutties in it, there are jams in it. At times you are lucky enough to get eclairs also. So what is it? It's a mixed bag, isn't it? It's a mixed bag. It's a collection of variety. So what you have to do for your English grammar as well, the practice exercise has to be a mixed bag of all the topics covered. It needn't mean that only, supposing you are doing an exercise from pronouns, only pronoun. No, you have to bring in articles also in it, subject and predicate also in it, adjectives also in it, noun genders also in it. So it has to be a mixed bag of everything. Alright, then only you can have a serious practice, because grammar, as I said, is very scoring. There is nothing called half mark. Supposing only a part of your question is correct, so I give you half mark. No, it's either right or wrong. It's just like maths. It is as scoring as maths, and if you don't give me the correct answer, then you will lose the full mark of that particular question. So grammar, you need to practice very nicely. You cannot mug up. In grammar you cannot mug up. There is nothing called rote learning. You have to understand the concept. How can you do that? You are going to go through each and every audio video clip which had been uploaded by me, and which either you have stored it or are available. Please go through each and every clipping, and then revise, go through the chapter. You can have the book open with you and you can relate with one topic along with the content of the book. And all those who don't have a book, never mind, I have also given you PDFs with contents in it. So, may I begin today's chapter today, children? May I begin, class? All right. The date today is 26th of August and it's a Wednesday. The name of the chapter is Pronouns and it is chapter number 11 of the book Tune Into Grammar. I'll just show you. Pronouns is another topic which you have already done. Okay. Now, this chapter is going to cover types of pronouns also in it. Okay. This is the book, of course, Tune Into Grammar, class 5. Yes. And this is the chapter which we are doing. Pronouns. Yes. There are many chapters. If you see that we have done 10 chapters, but then they are subtopics of the main topic. Like adjective is related to, see, order of adjectives, comparison of adjectives, then adjectives of pronouns, they are all interconnected. Okay, it is not like they are different topics, they are all subtopics. Similarly with nouns, we have noun gender, noun numbers, yes, types of nouns, isn't it? So they are all interconnected to one particular topic. So today's topic is pronouns, which is also going to cover types of pronouns in it. This is the chapter. All right, as usual, I said the informal letter homework, please, it should be email, please, I request. And also remember, children, the previous topic what was covered by me, that is order of adjectives, need not be email because I had already shared the PDF with the answer keys in it. So whenever you are writing out the exercise either in your book or your notebook, children, you must try to do it on your own. Understand the concept by listening to the audio video visual clip and then do it on your own, and then use the answer keys to check. And in case you are not able to, then you can refer it for help, but do not just blankly copy from the answer keys. Please do not do that. It is not appreciated. Okay, that will become like rote learning. There will be no point if you don't understand the concept and try to solve the exercises on your own. So let me begin with the chapter today. Okay. Now I'll just write a paragraph here. Okay, we know the date. Today is 26th of August. It's a Wednesday and the name of the chapter is pronoun. So I'm just writing paragraph out here. Okay, I am just writing a paragraph out here. Anil, I will just read out in case you are not able to see. I will move away from the board also. Anil went to the market. Okay, and it is continuing. The market was near Anil's house. Anil wanted to buy a packet of oats. A packet of oats. Anil bought 2 packets of milk with oats too. Now, children, can you see what I have written? I hope you can see. Yes, Anil went to the market. Okay, I'll just get a ruler. Anil went to the market. The market was near Anil's house. Okay, Anil wanted, there will be a 2 here, to buy a packet of oats. Anil bought 2 packets of milk with oats too. Now, have you seen there are repetition of the names? Yes, there are repetition of the names, there are repetition of the things. Okay. So now I will teach you what is to be done. The market. Now instead of the market, children, it will become it. Okay. Was near his. Okay. See, these are the changes what I am making. He wanted to buy a packet of oats. He bought 2 packets of milk with it too. So have you seen these words replacing the nouns? Yes. So what are pronouns? Pronouns are those words which are used instead or in place of a noun. So what are pronouns? Pronouns are those words which are used in place of a noun. Okay. Now may I erase this? I am going to erase this. I will just use and write. Okay. I will just move away from the board, children. Please don't worry. I will just move away. Ketaki. Okay. I am just calling out so that in case you are not able to see, Ketaki loves to play basketball. She is the captain of the school team. Okay. Children, Ketaki loves to play basketball. She is the captain of the school team. That is what I have written. In case you are not able to see, I am reading out the sentence. Okay. Now, another sentence. Okay. Dinesh or say Divija is very fun loving. Okay. All my friends are fond of her. So have you seen there is another word in my second sentence, her. Okay, here it is she. Okay, another sentence. I have a pet dog. It is very loving. So then again it. Okay, so I have her here, I have it here. So I have spoken about she, it, okay, it and her. So these are known as, okay, the first thing, her, okay, then she, all these are known as, like first if we take she, this is known as personal pronouns, okay, personal pronouns. Now, when we are talking about something like the school's basketball team went to play a tournament with GD Goenka Public School. They won the match. So, what is they here? They is a subject, okay. So, they are known as subject pronouns, okay. Similarly, it is what? It is talking about a thing, it is talking about an object. So, it acts as an object pronoun, alright. So, they act as a subject pronoun, okay, fine. It acts as an object pronoun, and she, he, all these are personal pronouns, okay. Now, let me move on to the next. Now, there are pronouns like This is my whiteboard. This is my whiteboard. Okay, that is my chair. This is my duster. Okay, that is my phone. Okay. Similarly, these pronouns are known as demonstrative pronouns. What are they? Okay, they are this, that, okay, these, those, all these are known as demonstrative pronouns. These are all known as demonstrative pronouns. So, this is the first variety what I am talking about. Now, pronouns, children, the first person who is speaking is known as the first person pronoun. Okay, when pronouns of the second person denote the second person pronoun. Okay, and pronouns of the third person denote the third person pronoun. Okay, next I will tell you what is a possessive pronoun. Okay, what is a possessive pronoun? This white board is mine. This whiteboard is mine. So, have you seen this word here in the sentence? Okay, that means these are known as possessive pronouns. Why possessive? What is the meaning of possessive? Possessive means something which you own. This blue marker is mine. This blue marker is yours. Okay, so yours, ours, mine, his, her, all these are known as possessive pronouns. Okay, because it is showing a possession, right? Now, next, moving on to another type of pronoun. Let me erase. Okay, let me erase, please. What is the color of my sari? What is the color of my sari? Have you seen what is the color of my sari? So, we are using an interrogative pronoun here. What, which, okay, who, all right. Then all these question words which is asking a question is known as interrogative pronouns. So, we have done what are personal pronouns, we have done what are possessive pronouns, okay. I have taught you what are interrogative pronouns, all right. And now moving on to the later part of the chapter, okay. Now, later part of the chapter, what you will see is, children, we will have exercises, okay, practice exercises. What I have taught you, demonstrative pronoun, personal pronouns, okay, interrogative pronouns and possessive pronoun. Now, the later part of the chapter is going to have exercises. So, learn exercise. Here you have to underline the types of pronouns in this particular paragraph and you have to state its kind. So, you can underline right away out here in the book and also write with a pencil what type of pronoun is it, what kind of pronoun is it, okay, what is the variety of the pronouns it is representing. Now, complete the personals with suitable personal pronouns. So, it, she, he, okay. All these are personal pronouns. Personal pronouns which which indicate a person, personal pronouns which indicate an object, all right. So, next one is again very easy. You will have to fill in with demonstrative pronouns. Now, demonstrative pronoun, the answer might vary, but you be careful, okay, what you are choosing. It has to be the right option. Now, next is again fill in the blanks. using possessive pronouns. These are all to be done in the book. Now, practice exercise D. This has to be done in your notebook. What do you have to do? You have to begin the sentence or change the sentence into an interrogative pronoun in this particular exercise. So, you will use a notebook. Then again, practice exercise E is going to be done in the book. All right, it has to be done in the book. Similarly, E as well. This is a very easy exercise which you can easily do without using my answer key. All right. So, this particular chapter is again a repetition of what you had already done in class 4. In fact, you had done it in class 3 as well, and also introduction in class 2. So, it is a continuation of the same topic, but then the difficulty level is little bit higher. So, we are ending our class here, children. Hope to see you tomorrow. Everybody should be present, children. Hope to see all of you in the class. Yes, please do not miss your live classes, because we are going to do literature lesson tomorrow. Okay, we are going to do a literature lesson tomorrow. Hope to see all of you in the class. Yes, literature also we have just one chapter left. So, we are progressing with our syllabus so that we can have plenty of revision, because I was thinking of doing a revision every Saturday, but then let me cover up all the topics so that we can have complete revision every live class. All right, do you agree? I hope I could hear you saying yes, ma'am. All right, so bye once again. Take care, stay safe. Yes, be very careful about going outside. Please do not take unnecessary risk. Yes, protect yourself, eat home cooked food, yes, have milk, yes, all those who are allergic to milk, try to eat homemade food, okay, try to eat homemade food, home cooked food, not food from outside. Please avoid eating from outside. You can do that once the infection is over, yes, once the virus is over, yes. Till then, bye bye, see you, take care.